Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on VIVO V2023. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Next thing is to find Firefox. Here install it. When it's ready, click on the open. And right here we can begin a setup, so choose a different theme, pick toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization, switch between different privacy protection settings and read the privacy notice. Lastly, click on start browsing, open any website, and as you can see this browser works fine. And that's it for this video, hope you like it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.